How to find discoverability settings on TikTok. Now hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find it easy and quick on TikTok. Now first open TikTok now and then click on your profile here and then click the storylines, and once you're here just click privacy, and here we'll find discoverability settings, and here you can manage it. You can make your account public or private. It's easy and you can manage anything you want. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.